All right, so today we are going to talk about point slope form. What are the two things we need for point slope form? Point and a slope. Does the point matter?
No. Yes.
No, as long as it is a point on the line, it does not. All right, so any point works. So what we're going to do now is we're going to plug these numbers in. Anytime they say slope, we are talking about what letter?
M.
The M.
Plus B.
So we know y is equal to what number? Our M? 2x minus 3. And the next one?
Y equals 3/4x.
And then do I have to put plus 0?
I'm gonna bring my hamster to
But I could if I wanted to. Go ahead.
Y equals -6.
Good, because that slope of 0. So this is Mr. Slope Guy's mouth. So he has dimples. And because that is a horizontal line, we know it's going to be a hoi, which means we have y equals and then the number 6.
horizontal and box vertical.
Yes. All right, so today we'll be given a point. And when we talk about points, what letters do we use? X and Y. So X and Y. So that is the fill in the blank at the middle of your paper. And a slope. What do we call our slope? What letter?
M.
M. For how you move on the graph. So what we are going to do today is we are going to take a point and a slope that they give us, plug them into that equation. You don't need to memorize it. It'll be given to you on the state exam. And solve for y. So this is on the inside now. All right, so here we go. So for here, what's the first number that goes in? The 6, the 1, or the 4?
The 6.
So what? Look at our formula. It's a y, so it's going to be a 4. The next thing in our formula is the letter M. What is our slope?
6.
And then the next one?
1.
Good. So now let's see if we can do that a little bit faster. So we're going to have y minus some number equals some number x minus close.
For the -5,
So let's plug in what they give us. What is our y value?
6.
6. What is our m?
1/2.
And the x?
5. -5.
It's a -5. But what happens when you have two negatives?
Positive.
So that becomes x plus 5. Good job. Yes.
What?
Two negatives give you a positive.
What else is negative? The 2 rights is still 1.
Your formula has a negative right there. All right, ready? Sooner we keep going, sooner we finish. All right, so what is the first number? What is our y?
-1.
So two negatives give us a,
Y plus 1.
so y plus 1 equals
-1.
-1.
Negative
Then
x.
x minus 3.
There you go. Good job.
I take that.
So on your assignment, it'll have a drop down for plus and minus. You need to decide if it's going to be a positive or if it's going to be a negative. So y minus some number. Try to do this one on your own. All right, so what did we get? Say it one more time for me.
Y subtract 4 equals subtract.
Newest. Not Deborah Karen.
X. All right, so you could leave it. You don't have to put the x minus 0. You could just leave it as y minus 4 is equal to 5. And when you distribute that x, it would just be 5x. All right, so what happens if they don't give you a point and a slope and they give you a table? So first thing we need to do is find the slope. So from -6 to -4, did it get bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
By how much?
2.
Good. And over here, -37 to -27, 10?
Yeah, you got bigger right there.
So our slope is 10 over 2, but can that be reduced
Yeah, it's 5.
to 5 over 1 or just 5, right? So that is our slope. So now that you know your slope, we can plug in the formula. Remember, we have y minus some number equals slope x minus some number.
Can we just do 5? We don't have to do 5 over 1.
You could just do 5. Good question. What is your y value? 3. What is our slope?
5 and then subtract 2.
There you go. All right, we're going to repeat that process 2 more times for this problem.
Huh? Oh,
So what is our y?
negative 27, which would be positive.
That's perfect, though.
Actually, don't show it together.
And then 5 and then subtract. Well, plus 4.
Good. Why is it positive? Because of the 2 negatives? All right, and this last one, go ahead and take a minute, do it on your own real quick. All right, so what is our y?
37. Would it be positive?
Be positive 37. That pink is not coming out. Can y'all see that?
Yeah.
Equals
Okay.
5
Equals 5
and then plus 6.
plus 6 because of the double negatives, right?
Oh my god, I can't find my sheet. That hurt so bad.
All right, what happens if you're given a graph? First thing we need to do is find your slope. So how do you know if you got a good slope?
If it goes on it or crosses it.
I think it's
How many points do you need?
The y.
So our y-intercept, and you need 2 points?
Yeah.
So is this one a good point?
No.
No. How about this one?
No. Oh, wait, yes.
Yeah?
Maybe?
Maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Gives us the y equals.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
What is it?
2x plus 1.
So that is the equation. But it makes sense because we went up 2 and over 1. 2 over 1 is our slope. And our y-intercept is a positive 1.
This is easy. I like this.
Good.
You should just only teach this.
Well, now that you know your slope, give me a point. Give me a pretty point, preferably. No decimals. 0, 2?
-3 and negative 2.
-3,
And
-2.
No,
That's not on our line. We needed to.
-2 and then -3.
Okay, this one right here.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to use the point -3, comma, -2. -2 or -3? Now you got me confused.
It's -2. It's yeah.
There we go. I was like, wait, that's not on there. So rule number 1, your point has to be on the line.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad we got that taken care of. We know our slope is 2. So we can use our formula.
Y plus 2 equals 2. I don't know, 2.
Okay, so you said y what?
Oh my god. 1 plus 2.
Plus 2 or plus 3? What's our y value?
Oh, y plus 3
Equals, what's your slope?
2.
Yes.
2. And then x plus 2.
X plus 2.
Oh,
So you got to know your x and your y. It's got to be on the line, and you got to know your slope. All right, so second part. Same process. Everything we just did, we're going to plug it in. So we're on the right side of your notes. Only thing is now we're actually going to solve. Solve for y. It's a two-step process. You will live, I promise. If not, I'll send flowers. First step, label everything that you have. You have an x, you have a y, and you have the m. What is our y value?
1 minus 5.
And then what's our m?
3.
And then our
X subtract 2.
x minus 2. Okay, you ready?
No.
Yeah.
Two-step process. First thing is we hate parentheses, so we need to distribute. What is 3 times x?
3x.
Good. 3 times negative 2. Okay, remember I told you it's a two-step process? Step 1, get rid of parentheses. Step 2, get rid of that minus 4.
Division.
Add 4. Now my question to you is if I add 4 on the left, the y is now by itself.
But it goes to the right, so it should
But
be
which one under the right?
the negative 6 for the
Good.
right terms, because there's no decimal.
Yeah.
Or not decimal,
Yeah.
whatever.
X value.
There's no x.
So y is equal to 3x minus 2. And you're done.
Okay.
Two-step process, yeah?
Easy.
All right, what is our first step? Label. What is our x? 4. And your y? Negative 6. Make sure you're being careful with your sign.
Oh.
After that, we need to write out your equation. So y minus, leave a space, equals, leave a space, x minus, leave a space. All right. Y minus what?
6.
Negative 6. But
They make a positive.
2 negatives give you that positive. What is our slope?
0.
0. And what is our x-intercept?
4.
4. Now, what do we know about our slope is 0? Is it Mr. Slope Guy's nose or his mouth? It's his mouth. So it's a horizontal line. So is that hoi or vux? Hoi. So we know our equation is going to be y equals some number. So let's prove it. What is 0 times anything? 0. So now we have y plus 6 equals 0. How do I get y by itself? Subtract 6 on both sides. What is 0 minus 6? There you go. And isn't that what we said we would have? Because our equation was y equals some number for hoi. All right. Second to last one. Here we go. First step is to label your points. So you have x, you have y. Write your formula, but leave your spaces. All right, so we labeled our points. What is our y value?
8.
It'll become positive, so good. What is our x value?
X 0.
Good. I kind of switched it up on y'all there. Make sure you're paying attention. Your slope?
1/2.
1/2. Awesome. What's the two-step process?
Get rid of the parentheses.
Okay, so I need to distribute, and distribution is to multiply. All right, so what is 1/2 times x? 1/2 x. What is 1/2 times 0? 0. And we still have y plus 8. Add 8?
Subtract.
Subtract. You are right. And I subtract the 8 from 0, correct? Because it doesn't have an x. So y is equal to 1/2
X plus
minus 8 or plus 8?
Minus
Minus
8.
8. Good job. What do you notice about where the 0's at for this point? Is it in the x or the y? It's in the y spot. So this is an interesting problem. That is our which intercept if the number is in the x? It's our x-intercept. So that's x and y. Write it all out. Y minus some number equals some number, parentheses, x minus, there you go. All right, so what goes in those blanks? Yeah, we could put 0. And then your slope?
-2, and then 5.
Good. All right, so now that we know that, what's the two-step process? Distribute, and distribute is code for multiply. So -2 times x, -2x, -2 times a -5. They're both negative.
Positive.
What is y minus 0? So it's already solved for you. So that was very nice of them.
I like that.
We like that. We like when they give us the x-intercept. Surprise! There's an assignment that goes with it, but you already have it. It is the white paper you picked up. Make sure you put your answers on Schoology. It's big because you need space in order to do all this.